Yeah, I'm awkward. I don't like to talk to other fucking people, man. Fuck off. That's why I fucking hate when you fuckers force me into it. Fuck, man. Yeah, exactly. Fuck off, dude. I want to try. How the fuck are you alive? How, man? How? How, dude? I can't fucking play this anymore. I can't play this fucking shit anymore. I can't play it anymore, dude. Okay, I'll be right back. I gotta fucking play.
I love you.
No, it was not Ronald. It was someone else. Wait, was it? It was some other fucking guy, dude. Hey! I'm out! That's the end of the stream.